Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve vision insurance with VSP, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what VSP vision insurance offers. Familiarize yourself with the different plans available through VSP. Assess your current vision needs by considering eye exams, glasses, and contacts. Review the specifics of your existing plan. Determine whether your current coverage meets your needs. Contact VSP customer service for detailed information on your benefits. Explore the option of adding vision insurance if you are not already enrolled. Consider any additional services, such as discounts on LASIK or retinal imaging. Compare VSP's offerings with other vision insurance providers. Look for unique features that VSP may offer, like a large network of eye care providers. Evaluate the annual deductible and out-of-pocket maximums under your plan. Check the frequency of benefits, such as how often you can get a new pair of glasses. Investigate any limitations on brand names or styles available under your plan. Use VSP's online tools to find in-network providers near you. Schedule an eye exam with a VSP-affiliated doctor. Confirm the details of your exam with the provider, including any copays or fees. Discuss your vision concerns during your appointment. Ask your eye care provider for recommendations for frames and lenses. Utilize your benefits effectively during the appointment. Inquire about additional discounts for purchasing eyewear through VSP. Review your claim process and understand how reimbursement works, if applicable. Keep track of important dates for when your benefits reset. Stay informed about any changes to your policy or benefits each year. Utilize VSP's member portal for easy access to your insurance information. Update your contact information with VSP to receive important notifications. Consider reassessing your coverage annually to ensure it continues to meet your needs. Explore any wellness benefits that might be included in your plan. Implement tips from your eye care provider to maintain optimal eye health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.